7 days whitening black soap. Okay, so the first ingredient I have here, I have this vitamin C oil. So this vitamin C oil is a dissolved vitamin C serum for getting rid of dark spot and pigmentation. And I have rose oil here. I just be needed little of the rose oil, which is super glower. And I have my cool here treatment. It actually prevents stretch marks, green vein, white patches on outer skin issues on the skin. And the next item I have here, I have 2 cleanser here. The reason why I'm adding cleanser to this soap is because I want it to be super effective than the ordinary black soap out there. So this is super whitening black soap. And I have another cleanser here which I'm going to be using. This is Grace cleanser. We'll be needing this as well. And I have this oil here. This actually mixed oil with glutathione, naphthalene, and talking oil, which I will be needing just 1 spoon of the oil into my soap mixture. And I have my Snow White powder here. Snow White powder is actually skincare whitening powder that helps to add whitening effect to our cream or to our body soap. And also I have my turmeric here. I know someone may be saying that the item is too much because this soap is not just ordinary soap but whitening black soap. So I have turmeric here, which is super lightening and also super glower, and it can rid of skin issues on the skin. Okay, it's actually antiseptic, so it's very good. Also, I have some whitening powder here, which is the one of the most important thing here. It's a salicylic acid. It's very good in brightening of the complexion. So I have my vitamin C powder here. This is actually skincare whitening powder as well. This vitamin C whitening powder. And I have here is alpha-arbutin powder, which I will be needing just a teaspoon into my soap. So let's get started. And the last item here is my carrot glowing oil, which I will be needing into the soap as well to make it super whitening effect. Yes, this is actually 7 days whitening black soap. I'm just going to be turning my black soap that you have seen right here into my mortar. So if you don't have mortar, you can just use your hand to mix the whole item, but I'm going to be using my mortar because I have this mortar for soap making. Adding into this my soap is my Snow White powder, which is just half spoon, not up to half spoon. Okay, and I'm going to be adding my glutathione powder, is not up to 1 spoon as well, and I will be adding my vitamin C powder. You can see it's not up to 1 teaspoon, or not up to 1 teaspoon as well. So I finished adding all my powders. Right now, what I'm going to be adding into this mixture is my oil. So I'll go ahead and add my mixed oil, 1 spoon. Also, I will be adding my carrot oil as well, because I want a super glowing effect for my customer. 1 spoon, very good for the skin. Half spoon. I will be adding my rose oil here, half spoon as well. So one thing I love about black soap is that it foams a lot. No matter the amount of oil you add, it still foam. So this is my vitamin C serum. I'm just going to be adding 2 drops into this. Item I'm going to be adding is my complexion, which is 1 spoon into this to prevent stretch marks and all that. So I will be adding 1 complete spoon into this mixture. Cleanser right here. I'm just going to shake the cleanser. Grace cleanser here is Grace cleanser. So I'm going to be adding this 1 spoon, 2 spoon, and 3 teaspoons of my cleanser. is my Damalis. I will be adding 3 spoons as well. I'm just going to go ahead to mix and pound everything till it's smooth together. So after I started pounding it for a while, and after I pound it for a while, I added my turmeric powder into this soup. Now I'm going to be adding, because turmeric is very good in black soup, so I add 1.5 spoon of this turmeric into my soup. Then that's how it looks like. Okay, this foams too much. In fact, just little of it will give you so much more. So this is how the black soup looks like after I'm done pounding everything.